Monday. Welcome to another new week. It's a busy week here as always. The biggest thing I've got on this week is on Thursday evening we've got our photo shoot for the Just Be fashion event, the Fashion Rebellion, which was postponed because of the bad weather a couple of weeks ago, which I was pretty gutted about it at the time, but it looks like it's actually worked out for the better. We've got more people involved this time. The weather forecast's looking great, so fingers crossed that's going to go ahead on Thursday evening, which I can't wait to see how that comes together. I've got a wedding dress to work on for the next couple of days and some filming to do, and yeah, just work. I've got a big old list of stuff to get through over the next few days, so I'm going to go and get on with it. Hello, darling. Oh, I could stay here all day, but I better go and do some work. It's about 8 PM. I've been sewing orders all day, and now I'm about to set the studio up for filming tomorrow. Tomorrow I've decided I'm going to film an ombre dye tutorial. So ombre dyeing is something I do a lot. I absolutely love it. I think it's beautiful. I've used it in couture gowns. It's part of my collection. The robin dress on the website comes in lots of different ombre colours of lace. So I'm going to show you how to ombre dye lace. And then I think I'm going to use the lace that I dye to rock up this dress for the Rocked Up Frocks video this week as well. So I got this in the green shed. I think it cost me $25. I have to check that. But it's brand new. It's still got a $250 price label on it. But it's just hideous. I need to get rid of the bubble hem and do all sorts to it. So yeah, I think if I dye the lace tomorrow, and then I can use it to upcycle this. Oh, in the morning I'm going to get my hair dyed. I'm going to see Janice and get rid of these god-awful roots. Look how long they are. And this horrible colour. I hate this colour so much. So as soon as I get home from having my hair dyed, it will be straight into dyeing and filming and editing and getting the video up by tomorrow night. I've already cleaned the kitchen, so that's all ready to go. So yeah, I'm excited to share this one. I love dyeing, so. Done. I'm going to go and have a gin and tonic and watch some Stranger Things 2. It's time to get my hair done this morning, so get rid of these awful roots, go red again, and reshave these side bits that have got really long. Hey, I'm here with Janice. Janice is Gorilla Hair. She is the most incredible hairdresser. If you're in Canberra and you want awesome, coloured, funky, punky hair, come and see Janice. She's your girl. Yeah, cool. I like Noel peeking over my shoulder. Cool. Oh, yes. So much better. Look how long it was. Dun, dun, dun. Love it. Love it. Thank you. It's pretty. Super cool.
Yep.
That colour is just beautiful. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
I'm back from having my hair done. It feels so good to be red again. My sides are all freshly shaved and a little bit Velcro-y. And oh, look at that, freshly blow dried. And now it's time to start filming my ombre fabric dye tutorials. I'd get up, but I have a cat. He does this thing with the blanket. Spent a lot of today working on the next Rocks video. I'm upcycling a purple dress that I found at the green shed, and I'm going to use the ombre lace from the dye tutorial the other day. But now I'm really excited because it's time to take this makeup off, do new makeup, do my hair, and it's the Fashion Rebellion photo shoot tonight. We've got perfect clear blue skies, the weather's just gorgeous, so hopefully we'll get the sunset we want and get some awesome shots to start promoting this fashion event. Hey, Kimmy and I are in the car and we are on our way to the Arboretum to shoot the first promo photos for the Just Be fashion event that we've got coming up later this year, the Fashion Rebellion. Woo! We've just finished shooting the first shoot for the Fashion Rebellion. How was it?
Unbelievable. Awesome. It was amazing.
Great. We got perfect weather, we got the most beautiful sunset, and just judging by the pictures on the back of James's camera, he's got some incredible shots. Bye! Oh, I can't tell you how happy I am with how the photo shoot went last night. I've got some great behind the scenes footage as well. I did some little impromptu interviews with people too, so in the next few days I'll start editing all that together. I'm going to make a couple of behind the scenes videos. We've just got one key person we're waiting on, and as soon as we've confirmed that person we can start locking in dates and then looking for venues for this fashion event. I feel like I've been talking about it for months and months and months now and nothing's actually happened, so I just can't wait till we can lock in the person that we want to lock in, because to have her here will be incredible. So as soon as that's locked in we can do all the other things, so that's what's going to set the ball rolling. So I'm kind of on a high and a low today. I'm on a high from the shoot last night. I'm on a high from all the plans and all the enthusiasm for the fashion event for Just Be. My YouTube channel's doing really well. It's increasing subscribers and views are going up every month. It's slow, but it is increasing, so I'm really happy with how that's going and I'm really loving filming. But I'm feeling a bit deflated because I've been waiting to have a phone call with someone who could potentially help me take Rockstars and Royalty in the online collection forward, and they've just cancelled again, and it keeps getting put off, and I'm starting to wonder if maybe it's because they don't want to work with me. I guess that's my anxiety and paranoia. I'm sure they're just really busy and we'll talk at some point, but my anxiety is telling me that it's me, but we'll see what happens. If it is that, then there's plenty of other opportunities. I've just got to remember that something else will come along. So yeah, just got to concentrate on the stuff I can control at the minute, and yeah, try not to fret over the stuff I can't control. There's a chicken on my windowsill. One of my chickens has jumped up to say hello. This is Bubbles. What does she want? Where's the others? Oh my god, there's the dog and more chickens. What are you doing, Bubbles? She's gonna get down. And there she goes. My blanket's purring. You just want to be friends with everyone, don't you? Can I go to sleep now? Is there room for me? I'm going to bed now. You lot need to go to sleep. Shush, shush, shush. Sunday, and I've just finished filming the Rocks video for today. Yeah, I did this little, because it's purple, I kind of did purple makeup. Yeah, I'm really happy with how that little dress came out. It looks super cute with the ombre lace over it and with the little jacket, so I can't wait to share that one tonight. Then I'm going to have a tidy up, and then I think we're going out to the end of Enlightened tonight, which would be really cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you're enjoying this little peek into my life and my businesses and all the crazy stuff that goes on behind the scenes, and chickens on windowsills and mad animals. I wouldn't have it any other way. I'll be back next week. Catch you soon.